Okay, hello and welcome again. In this video, we are going to talk about computational mathematics, concept number 20, MATLAB program of bisection methods. In this video, we create the MATLAB program for bisection methods. In MATLAB software, so I take a new script here and CLC clear all, close all. First define a function with f is equal to at the rate at the rate at the rate x. In MATLAB, we can define a function in this way: x multiplied by log 10x x minus 1.2. This is our given function, given problem or function. So a is equal to 2. This is first approximation root. b is equal to 3. This is second approx root, and n is equal to 6. 5, that means this is number of iterations. Here error defined epsilon, epsilon is equal to 5 multiplied by 10 to the power minus n, because error is equal to 1 by 2 into 10 power 10 power minus n. So maximum number iteration maximum is equal to 70. This is maximum error maximum iterations, and x naught is equal to a plus b divided by 2. This is new root error, absolute error is equal to abs, absolute error f of x naught. Okay, here check the condition, check the bisection methods. So if f of a multiplied by f of b is greater than 0, then display wrong check of a and b, else while loop, while iteration. Here we should also define iteration to counter. Here iterate 1. This is iteration counter. So iteration is lesser equal to itr max, iteration max, and error is greater or equal to epsilon, epsilon. Then if f of a multiplied by f of b is less than 0, then set b is equal to x naught, else set a is equal to x naught. Okay, and then x naught is equal to a plus b by 2 error. Error is equal to absolute f of x naught, and we iteration is equal to itr plus 1 because of while loop, and we end the loop end also end. Now f print f iteration is %d and itr, and f print of root is percent 2.5 f 2.5 f new line x not. After this program we run, if we run and give the name bisection MATLAB bisection method final. Okay, we get the iteration 71, iteration is 71 and root is this.